This is a quick video where we have an expression with exponents and you multiply and divide but with variable bases. So if we have a problem like this that says simplify, express your answer as a single term using exponents. And we have it looks like a rather complicated expression here, but it's not complicated. I'll teach you all the tricks on how to do this. This is very quick and easy. So first step, since we have the same base of y, we can add the multiplication exponents and subtract the division exponents. So we would add these, the 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3, and then subtract 4 and 2 because the base is exactly the same. So it would look like this. It would be y to the 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 minus 4 minus 2. So we'd be left with, after we simplify, y to the 11. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. And in there, you'll find a link to this video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.